Hi guys, let's talk about some UK trades of today, 12th October, and this was in my list and the probability number one, and this is I was looking for in the New York session yesterday. There's the high volume pop towards to the south, and this is my first test which I drew, and this was my second test. So and now my first test have some high volume, so I'm a little bit worried about this trade. But in my second test, which is this particular piece, uh, came with the low volume than my first test here with the low volume, which got my attention, and I'm very excited about this one. So I'm looking for price near this and waiting for some rejection or some deformation to get in, but it's dropped dramatically. So me, Abdul, and lots of students trying to get this, but we can't. So it's collapsed. We just missed that trade. Okay. Okay, this one I was looking the same thing last night in New York session. It popped out with the highest volume, and this is my test number one. The entire piece. This is the separation of the test number one, which is I got the medium range of volume in my test number one. Okay, but in my second test, which is right there, which is very aggressive but lower than my test number one, which got my attention, and I'm interested on that price, and it takes those guys out and played out. So I got aggressively on that one, but after I saw the numbers, the USD is also very weak like CHF. So I think that this pair going to be sideways for a long time. Then it will maybe perform tomorrow or in New York session. So I leave this trade. And here is the final one which I got in. There's also a break from last night New York session with the high volume pop and some news events, so I'm interested on that one also. Here is my test one, and this is the separation of the test one, and this is my test two all the way down to that. I'm waiting for the price. I know this is a little bit a lopsided test, so it may not be goes below my test one, so I'm a little bit desperate about this one, so I limit my orders on these guys. I know the price will came down and get those stops, then it will be going to perform. So my trade was there, and I made some money on this one particularly. I made some 2.5 R on this one. Overall nice UK session for today. Let's see what happened next. See you in New York.